Hello YouTube. I just got some gas from Livermore Chevron station. Uh, if this uh, if this video wasn't so washed out, I would say this is how you merge, but it's washed out, so I can't really say it's how you merge. And I guess I could try to fill the time between now and the uh, the accident. Yeah, that, or I could just cut straight to the accident. So I'll be skipping ahead. The guy's coming up in the left-hand lane right about here. So yeah, keep your eye on the black car, lane number 4. At this moment, I'm in lane number 5. I got it slowed down for a moment to, yeah, we'll keep an eye on this guy for a moment. So I'm in lane number 5. My lane's free and clear. But now it's getting closed off. There's a couple cars moving back towards me. And look, here comes another one. It's like they all want my lane. Well, it's getting crowded, so I'm going to get my own lane. At least for a little while. And then it opens up because our driver is getting into that 5th lane. He's on his brakes. He's on his brakes. PT's braking too. PT says, I'm out of here. Braking too much behind this guy. He's on the right-hand dots. On the right-hand dots. And then he's scooting across to the left-hand dots. PT says, I'm out of here too, because that looks kind of scary. The driver notices he's surrounded by trucks, and he's back to his text messaging. Joink! Nice recovery on that slide. Could have been a pit maneuver instantly like that, but driver's pretty good about evading typical police tactical. Yeah. So that was the guy. That was that. I guess I could leave it run. We're heading back up to speed here, and I'm thinking to myself, oh boy, that was pretty neat. I wonder if anybody got a video. Wait a minute, I got a video of that. I should probably go back. I could probably give somebody like an email or something. Hey, here's what happened. If you need to tell an employer or something. But then this whole whitewashed video just depresses me, and I think I'm moving into the light. And so I tell myself, even back then, when I was recording this video, I was like, yeah, it's too white. I can't back up down that whole path back to that back to that accident. So I'm not going back. I'll put it up on YouTube. Here's the other view. Second camera's not busted, it's just been bumped, and here you can clearly see the light come on. Light. Brake light on the PT says I'm out of here. And he's on the right dots. Our driver. And he's coming over to the left, and oh, little correction. Why am I surrounded by so many trucks? I am out of here. Okay, lane change completed. Back to texting. Joink! Oh, good recovery on that. near pit maneuver. Yeah, I thought I'd put it in twice. Give a second look on this one because, I don't know, it's a little closer. It feels a little closer, maybe even a little clearer. Less sunlight obscuring so much of that, so much of the accident. I hope the guy's safe. I'm pretty sure he's safe. He was able to take his car off the road. So, yeah. Too bad for that guy. I wonder what the text was. Man. Say the truck driver handled it pretty well, considering he got bumped into. Cheers, YouTube.